Oh!
Whoa!
No. Over here. You can see your driver's tire on the side of that tree.
Easy. As you back up. Just turn. Passenger side. You're turning driver. Back. Straight wheel. Going. Straight. Yes, straight. Back. Come back. Okay. Passenger. Slow. Passenger. Right there. Slow. Stay steady and slow. Now straight wheel. More. Right there. Roll it. Stay with it. Keep going. Stay with it. Keep going. Work the wheel. Grab on driver. Keep trying to go. See if it bite. Let it spin. There you go.
There it goes.
Stay with it. Up.
Keep going.
All the way to the top. Take a left. All right.
You're on that. Yeah, keep going. You might be able to crawl over that. He's up against that other big rock up here. You might have to just back up, turn. You may have to turn passenger, turn other way. Turn hard back. Yeah, turn hard passenger. Back up just a little bit. Just keep going a little bit back. Backwards. You're gonna have to go backward. You got a big rock in front of you here. Just a little bit. There, right there. Now turn hard driver. Hard as you can. That's good. Keep coming. There you go. Now you're up. Yeah, and then just make the left and go all the way back down.
Comes this way a little bit. Look good there, Scott. Look good.
Oh, there you go, the bosses.
A little bit. There you go. There you go. You got it. Stay with it, Scott. Stay with it.
A little more.
There you are.
Now you're up.
You're up. Back right out. There you go. You got it. Yeah, I know. Out here.
Freaking Mike, you just can't wait.
Can't.
You just can't wait, can you? You
Gotta back off of that.
just can't wait.
Hold on. Now.
Put your front locker on, Mike. Oh.
Right there. Little momentum. Back it off again. Back it off again. You need some momentum to get up there.
He's gonna try straddling.
Momentum. Back on. You're gonna have to come right here, Mike. You gotta come right there. And fire against the tree.
Nice. It's tough because it's right where his back tire hits that rock and he just can't get enough traction with his front to pull himself up.
He'd make it if he had one.
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, you gotta come here, Mike. You gotta come like right here, this one.
You're really... Yeah, you're in the tree though. You're in the... There you go.
Keep it going, Mike. Go ahead. Keep going.
There you go, Mike. You got some white strip on the top of your head. What's that? I don't know what that was. I don't want to ask. Woohoo! How'd you make out, Kyle?
Proceeded to bead. Oh, that was a mess.
No.
Whoa!
No. Over here. Okay, get your driver's tire on the side of that tree.
Easy.
What are they? What Patagon? No, they're not Patagonias. They're Nittos. I was gonna say they look like mine. Well, they don't look like mine.
Got it. Passenger.
Yeah, you're gonna have to put your driver. Yeah.
Put my tire on there.
Well, if you can get up it, but either that or you can go in between them. Just you try to get as close to the big rock as you can. Your rear tire is probably going to come up over it. I don't think so. Not yet. No, you got room. You're just, you know what? Hold up. You got to back up a little bit. Looks like his lower control arm.
Now go hard, driver. Or slow. Tight. Right there. Now go hard, driver. Or slow. As soon as you feel that tire come over the top of the rock, then straight to the now straight it up. Yep. Now go big passenger. Go slow.
He's too far, passenger. He's too far. Come. Go a little driver, though. He's in that rock pile. There you go.
Rock star.
Easy. Okay, now no drift back.
Oh, I forgot my clutch and stuff.
This tire's gonna drop hard. Go slow. Okay, now we're gonna do some clutch stuff here.
Okay.
Let's clutch things right on the brake. Clutch on the brake.
Yeah.
Slow. That's nothing. Right now you can see it down. Let's grab it.
Going down. There you are. You're down all the way in the back.
Seems to be the trail of the day.
Not Dennis. It's Gladiator. Up the tree! Up the tree! Now, hold up. Let me get your back end over there a bit more. Better on it.
All the way off. Get your back end over.
On the block.
We don't know what time it is.
Get yourself squared up, man.
Basically, you gotta take your whole vehicle, move it over that way 4 feet.
Get the back end alongside that tree.
There's red paint all over the rocks now. It's like Watson 2 years ago.
Hey, I'm minding my own business here. Just filming for off-road consulting. And mine were little diff covers. I'm always thought of, I'd rather be thought of in a positive way. Yeah, mine were tiny though. Yes. Walking park, the opposite. Just kidding.
Oh! I locked up. Lock it up. Cheater. No, you trash. You're the cheater.
I have both. Should I try it?
And then whenever you're ready, hug the tree without hitting it. So you gotta start turning.
I'm curious how that tire's going to get past that tree.
Yeah. A little bit. Hold there. A little bit.
Got it now.
And you know what the traction control is called? Brake lock differential.
Well,
Same thing. It's
similar.
for you. So it makes you look like a superstar.
not quite.
Ooh, man. Hey, it's only 1:45.
In there. Go ahead, just a little move.
Now you can take it home.
1 o'clock. We're going to roll to the next section.
Oh,
That's trust right there.
There you go.
Proper rock placement.
Yes, but Rockstar really made the difference there, folks. No doubt about it. That was just 6 inches of rock placement.
That's why I'm here.
It's better than.
Tree without hitting it.
Let me tell you, having Rockstar is better than lockers.
You don't want shade?
Start going a little passenger as you come forward.
Pass the tree in the back.
Keep coming. Yep, now get as close to that as you can without hitting it.
Okay. That's impossible.
Those fenders.
Yeah. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it.
Right there. Hold that. Keep going forward slow. Slow.
I think he's going to come out here. Is that right, Tom?
Well, we got to watch him on the tree. I don't think he's making. Okay, start going passenger. Keep coming slow. Easy. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. You're okay.
I'm not worried about the fenders.
Well, we are. Straighten it out. It's too new to not care. Hold. Turn. Right there. Slow. Okay, hold there.
You're okay.
All right. Turn and back up a little bit. Oh, our driver.
No, that's not the stop.
Slow.
No? No. I don't think so. Well, they have to. No, that's not stop. Yeah, that's
Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
that's
Yeah.
stop. I don't unless you pull to the man.
Now turn. Right there.
No.
Slow. Slow. Keep coming just like that. Okay, hold. Turn a little bit. Right there. Slow. Now the rear tire is going to climb. Just keep going slow. Turn. Easy. Okay, now you have that rear overhang. You got to come off that rock. Very, 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 very slow.
Wow, that's a lot of worries, Kyle. I don't know.
Rewind that.
That's
Rewind that. How many birds?
Rock. Very, 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 very slow.
It's not easy, folks. The editing.
All right, now it's coming
Slow.
down. Easy.
Good.
Perfect.
Now
Good job. Good job.
That's, did you get permission from Tina to do a woohoo? You know what? She's going to be really,
What happens when you have access to two different zip codes?
going to be really ticked off because, yeah. I'm getting a low battery warning, just in case.
This is the perfect CJ wheelbase killer. You're either going to have to give it a little roll through. Nope. You got like double whammies all the way around. You're going to have to give it a little roll through. Not too bad, just enough. Feel that? That's just not. You were this far from me. Oh!
Oh,
Must miss the tree though.
That's it.
Okay.
Driver.
Come this way a little bit. That's right there.
You want to go over here? You want to get over here? Coming over here. Oh, boy. I had put the grass in. Get over here. Keep coming. Matt? You can't get up over before I fall. Well, no, I think it's dog action. Nice job. Nice job. noise behind in there.
Scratch it.
Yeah, it's all right. It's cheap.
I'm still in the first one. You gave me this on the second batch.
Yeah, the first one on the second batch. I like the way you said that. That's nice. Yeah, I'm on the first one of my first batch.